Hello everyone, my name is Yash Upasni. I am from Surat, Gujarat, India. I'll be teaching you maths. Today we will be covering few word problems and few problems related to algebra. So let's start. So here our first problem says Sam's bakery sells slices of brownies into two varieties. Chocolate brownies cost $5.25 per slice and cherry brownies cost $5.45 per slice. If the bakery sold a total of 18 slices of brownie for a total of $96.5 on a particular day, how many slices of chocolate brownies were sold then slices of cherry brownie? So we have two types of brownies, chocolate and cherry. So let the chocolate brownies be X and cherry brownies be Y. Cost is given. So cost of one chocolate brownie is 5.25 into 1, and cost of X chocolate brownies becomes 5.25x, and cost of Y cherry brownies become 5.455. Cost of 1 is 5.25, so cost of X will be, we have to just multiply with X, and similarly here we have to just multiply with 5.45, and this total cost equals 96.5 as given in the question. Now to simplify this, I will multiply the whole thing by 100 to get rid of the decimal so that we can easily solve the problem. So if I multiply this whole thing by 100, I will get 525x plus 545y equals 9650, right? Let's keep this as it is. Now, the total number of brownies sold, is 18. So X plus Y. X is chocolate brownies, number of chocolate brownies X, cherry brownies Y, and this equals 18. So X plus Y equals 18. Now to solve this, I will multiply X by 525. Why? Because what's my plan is, I will multiply this whole equation by 525 such that the coefficient of X is 525 with the first equation, and this new equation also has coefficient as 525. Then we will subtract both the equations and the X term gets cancelled and we can easily find the value of Y. So this becomes 525X plus 525Y, equals 18 times 525. So 18 5s are 90, 18 2s are 36, so 36 plus 9 45, and 18 5s are again 90, so 94. So I get 9450. Now I will subtract first equation and this second equation. So when I subtract, this gets cancelled. 545 minus 525 is nothing but 20y, and this is nothing but 200. 9650 minus 9450 is 200. So y I am getting as 10. 200 divided by 20 is 10, right? So that means I have sold 10 cherry brownies that day. Now, out of 18, 10 are cherry brownies. So how many chocolate brownies? Obviously 8, right? 10 plus 8 gives me 18. So this is how we solve the problem. And it says how many slices of chocolate brownies were sold then slices of cherry brownies. So I would say that 2 less chocolate brownies were sold on that day. I hope you understand. Shall we move to the next question? All right. Now, next question says, what is the result when the following expression is simplified? We can easily see here that 2 is the base and exponents are different. So we will figure out what is to be cancelled from the numerator and denominator. So if you can see here, I can write this expression as 2x times 2 square, because whenever there is addition in exponent like this, 2 raised to 3 plus 2, when it's something like this, I can write this as 2 cubed into 2 squared, because this is what, 5, and 2 raised to 5 is 32. This is nothing but 8 times 4, which gives me 32 again. Okay, so I'm writing this, and I'm writing this as 2 to the power x times 2 divided by 2 to the power x times 2 minus 2 to the power x. You can easily see that 2 to the power x is common in the numerator. So in brackets, I would get 2 square plus 2. If I take to the power x common, what's remaining here? 2 square, and what's remaining here? 2. Similarly, from here also, 2 to the power x is common. I'll get 2 minus 1, because there is nothing in multiplication with this. So this gets cancelled. 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 plus 2. And what's here? 2 minus 1 is just 1. So my answer is 6. Okay? I hope you understand this one. Shall we move to the next one? All right. Now, question number 3. We have been given u and s. U and s are defined as root 3 plus 2 and root 3 minus 2. And what's the value of expression u over s plus s over u? So, we will simply substitute the value of u and s in this expression. So, root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 minus root 2 plus root 3 minus root 2 over root 3 plus root 2. So here I will take simple LCM. I'll multiply the denominators together and cross multiply with the numerators. So what will I get? When I do this, I will get root 3 plus root 2 gets multiplied with root 3 plus root 2. This one gets multiplied with this one. So this becomes a square. Similarly, this one gets multiplied with this one. So root 3 minus root 2 times root 3 minus root 2 becomes a square, right? And when I multiply these two, it's in the form of a minus b into a plus b, where a and b are root 3 and root 2 respectively. So when this type of arrangement comes, we have a formula called as a square minus b square. So what's a square here? Root 3 square minus root 2 square, right? So if I open the bracket a plus b whole square, what is it? A square, which is 3, plus b square, 2, plus 2ab. So 2 into root 3 into root 2, which is 2 into root 6, plus again 3 plus 2 minus, it's minus here, so minus 2ab, minus 2 root 6 divided by a square minus b square. What is a square? 3. 3 minus 2, which is nothing but 1. So denominator is simply 1. Now the numerator is 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6 gets cancelled. 3 plus 2 is 5. Again 3 plus 2 is 5, and my answer is 10 because my denominator is 1. Okay, I hope you understand. Stay tuned for the next class. Bye-bye.